best of luck and God's blessings.
I'm just like watching a film which is very good for me.
UPDF continues to be the principal pillar of the Ugandan state.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Act 2005.
you handing over to successfully, and the General Muhoozi has successfully seen the office of the Chief of Defence Forces of the UPDF. Another graphic.
I wish you the best of luck and God's blessings and daily guidance. I am ready and gladly available where and when needed to fill you in on other aspects of your assignment that may require further clarification.
I'm very grateful to have been chosen to preside over this function. I'm just like watching a film, which is very good for me, because the details, the professional approach, the angles at which you are looking at issues is very encouraging for us, the elders.
Outgoing Deputy CDF, service commanders, outgoing JECOS, division commanders, senior officers, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by thanking Almighty God for this day. To God be all the honor and glory forever and ever. Let me express my profound thanks and gratitude to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Uganda. It is through his wise stewardship that our great army has grown from 27 armed men on the 6th of February 1981 to the powerful force it is today. I want to thank Afande Saleh, our historical number 2 in the NRA UPDF, for coming to preside over this function. I want to thank the outgoing CDF, General Mbadi, for all the work you have done with your team in building our esteemed military. General Mbadi is an officer I have always respected, and I know he will do very well in his new assignment. We wish them well. UPDF continues to be the principal pillar of the Ugandan state. Ugandans can disagree on a lot of things, on politics, on how the economy is running, on inaction, on the scourge of corruption and so forth, but they all respect and revere the UPDF. UPDF is the central institution of Ugandan nationhood. This is because entry into its ranks is open to all Ugandans, regardless of origins and circumstances. So the responsibility we bear is enormous and extends beyond the traditional security roles. I think most people in this room have heard of the term shaping operations through your military training. I think you've come across that term. Shaping operations are operations that create and preserve the conditions of success for the decisive operation. Shaping operations come before the decisive operation, and they create the conditions for success for the decisive operation. All the non-military roles that we do are shaping operations for military operations, for what they call kinetic operations. So we must continue our role in ensuring the non-military aspects of security: political security, economic security, food security, informational security, cyber security, and environmental security. In other words, one of the implied tasks of the UPDF is a comprehensive national security. This is the only way we can preserve our way of life against the sophisticated threats we face today. Those who would wish to destabilize Uganda are aware of shaping operations, so they also use it to counter us. So we must be aware of that and not give them that opportunity. As the global balance of power increasingly tilts towards a multipolar world, with the rise of powers like China, India, Russia, Brazil, Turkey, and so forth, this presents dangers, but also opportunities. UPDF must maintain its position as the champion of the Africans and the defender of African interests. The only way to do this is to fully embrace and internalize all the new and emerging technologies. We have done it before in the past. A good example is in armored brigade and artillery. But we're still facing some challenges like in Air Force. Air Force, we have not yet really managed to stand alone in our Air Force. As M.I.S.O always says, we must resist the spirit of arrivism. Arrivism means thinking that we have done it all and therefore have nothing more to aspire to. This is what destroyed other revolutionary armies and movements in other parts of Africa. From military history, we know that those who lost wars were always preparing to refight yesterday's wars. They were not focused on today's and tomorrow's revolutions in military affairs. M.I.S.O also says we must never be a Boy Scout movement like other armies in Africa. He is absolutely right. Our job always has to be to close with and destroy the enemy rapidly and very aggressively. Our training schools must disseminate this spirit to our young officers and soldiers. Those young officers and soldiers are the future of this military and must be educated in these values and in our history. The new team, I hope, will strive for only the best for our men and women in uniform, the best equipment, the best accommodation, the best health care, the best uniforms, the best education for our children, etc. This can only be done by fighting the evil of corruption and mismanagement of resources. I call upon all officers and men of the UPDF to join with us in banishing this curse forever from our beloved army. Just like we did some decades ago, over the issue of ghost soldiers. There was a time when ghost soldiers were a big problem for this force, but we managed to close that chapter. I believe that corruption and mismanagement of resources too will be a chapter that we close in the UPDF. Moving forward, I look forward to working with you all to achieve these objectives and more that we shall expound on in other forums. God bless Uganda. God bless the UPDF. Mungu pamoja na